Looks like more bad news for Coinbase, guys. So Coinbase sinks as Goldman downgrades to sell after 75% root. So what does this mean? So this is kind of like an advisor. You go to someone, they're like, hey, you should buy the stock. It definitely has future potential for gains. Then you got like a hold status where we don't quite know what it's going to do, but it may go up in the future here. So you should probably hold it for now. And then you got the negative here, which is the sell grade. And that means, we expect Coinbase stocks to start dropping. So users, we're predicting that you guys should probably sell now before the price drops too high. So this is bad news for Coinbase. So I do want to point one thing out. Coinbase has been around since about June 20th of 2012. So they have seen a few cycles. Yes, crypto rolls in cycles. If you're still, one of those people that think it's different this time, it's not. We are following the exact same path that we have seen in the previous two cycles. We're doing the exact same thing. So crypto falls in cycles. And now Coinbase, who has seen this multiple times in the past, seems to be going through a lot of issues. Now, what's different this time is I really think DeFi and all these APYs that are getting promised is really hurting these companies. And this does lead us into the future where this really was the first bull run where we do have DeFi and liquidity and all these different things going on with APYs in the crypto space. So moving on, open up our eyes and prepare for the next cycle. Yes, the next cycle, next bull run and everything will be another cycle. It's going to crash again. It's going to hit new all-time highs, but it will come down again. So when you start seeing this happening, start withdrawing your staking rewards and everything so that you don't fall into a Celsius trap or, a potential Luna drop or whatever may happen. So open up your eyes and use these experiences that we're seeing today into the next bull runs. Now, moving forward, we're going to go through this article and kind of see what's going on here. So Goldman Sachs Group Inc. analysts downgraded Coinbase Global Inc. to a sell rating as the crypto winter continues to take its toll on the struggling digital currency exchange. Shares of the firm slumped 11% to $55.96 on Monday, extending their decline this year to 78%. As Bitcoin trades at less than half its value from just 6 months ago. Goldman analyst William Nance cited the continued downdraft in crypto prices and the broader drop in activity levels across the industry. Coinbase has fallen 75% this year prior to the downgrade. We believe Coinbase will need to make substantial reductions in its cost base in order to stem the resulting cash burn as retail trading activity dries up, Nance wrote in a note on Monday. Coinbase quickly became the equities market poster child for the boom in digital currency prices last year, with the largest U.S. cryptocurrency exchange seeing its value surge above $75 billion as Bitcoin hit a record high. Since then, the company has been dodging by a laundry list of issues, including declining revenues and trading volumes, as the broader crypto market endures one of its worst sell-offs in history. Now, I really don't like it when these blogs keep saying this. It's like everyone is pointing out that this has never happened before. This is the worst it's ever going to happen. Guys, the bottom has not come yet. I just did that video last week on the prices. Get ready to buckle up, guys. Bitcoin is still crashing because based on history, from the all-time high to the all-time low, we see about an 80 to an 84% drop of the all-time high to the absolute bottom here. So we're not at the bottom yet. This has happened every time in the past. Yes, we had higher all-time highs each time, but this is normal. The percentages have not hit yet. It will hit. The bottom is still coming. There's nothing new going on here. So they're really marketing this as something that has never happened before. It's the first time we're seeing this. It's dead. It's gone. Guys, that's not the case. The next bull run is going to be absolutely insane, even higher, and we have not hit the bottom yet of this market. Goldman Sachs was one of Wall Street's banks that advised Coinbase on its direct listing in April of 2021. As of Monday's close, the company was valued at about $12.4 billion. Coinbase has 20 buy ratings, 6 holds, and 5 sell recommendations, according to data compiled by Bloomberg. The average analyst share price target sits at about $117, its lowest level on record, but more than 100% above where it currently trades. Equity investors aren't the only ones souring on Coinbase. The firm's bonds have also come under pressure, with its senior unsecured bonds maturing in 2031, among the biggest decliners in the US high yield market on Monday. Read more, crypto, yada, yada, yada. Skip through that. Increased competition from other firms has also weighed on crypto exchange. Earlier this month, Binance US revealed that it would offer zero fee trading for Bitcoin and said it had plans to also eliminate fees on other tokens in the future. Coinbase also announced this month that it would be laying off 18% of its workforce as it attempts to reel in operating expenses that ballooned to a record $1.7 billion in the first quarter. Coinbase faces a difficult choice between shareholder dilution and significant reductions in effective employee compensation, which could impact talent retention, not said. So that makes a lot of sense. Like, what do you do here? Like I just finished saying, crypto does roll in cycles. So you're going to go get a job at Coinbase so that you can get fired, every 2.5, 3 years because crypto's on the way down. Does that sound like a great investment? So they're going to start firing everybody. They're really trying to weigh in on, should they keep their people happy or are they going to keep other people happy? So, it's really up in there. Obviously, as a company, there's things they got to do to stay on top of everything. But at the same time, as an employee, you don't really want to go to a job where you're pretty much expecting to get fired in a couple of years. So there's a quick update on what's going on with Coinbase. They've been going through some, tough times lately, just like everyone else and all those other big crypto companies. But what are your guys' thoughts and opinions on this? I really think it comes down to DeFi, the whole liquidity and thing. Like I said, they were here since 2012. They've seen these cycles before, but this was really the first time that DeFi and all this liquidity and APYs was all a big explosion thing. And I think this is really hurting these companies. So myself, I have stuff staked with crypto.com and I have about a month left. Obviously, hopefully nothing happens in the meantime, but I plan on pulling all my stuff out, guys. Hold it, hodl it. Is it really worth the APY if you end up losing potentially everything you have staked? I don't really think so. You may gamble and get away with it and be awesome in the next bull run, but is it really worth that gamble? So do whatever you want to do, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video. And if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed something, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week. So be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.